Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Now we will tell you the news about the Loopring cryptocurrency. New NFT campaign, but is it the same old Loopring again? Last year, Loopring made headlines for its unanticipated rally on the price charts. While that was once considered to be the beginning of a sustained hike, the altcoin soon fell victim to the prevalent market bearishness. Even today, 5 months later, Loopring is still attempting to revive that rally. And yet, it is sadly failing at it. Loopring stuck in a bearish loop. In order to gain the interest of older investors or attract new ones, Loopring is trying its best by giving every strategy a shot. The latest in the mix is an NFT contest campaign. The contest, which began last week, encourages deposits into the 2 Lira for an opportunity to receive a Loophead NFT. In its announcement, Loopring stated, users who make an ETH, LRC, USDC, USDT, ENS, or UNI deposit onto Loopring 2 Lira will have a chance to win a Loophead NFT. As lucrative as it may sound, the contest turned out to be a bust. The underwhelming response from investors did not do anything for the altcoin. Down by 65% in 2 months, the network did not gain anything out of it as transaction numbers of new investors have all remained unchanged. Furthermore, the daily transactions on-chain have dropped from over 4.32k in December to just 754 this week. Holding LRC for long-term, assessing if it's an investment opportunity or gamble. In the past few months, the fortunes of many of the assets in the crypto sphere have not been particularly promising on the charts. Bitcoin and Ethereum have led the game of musical chairs, with smaller participants such as Loopring seeing massive gains in the process. However, these smaller coins have also been bleeding on the charts for a while now. Loopring sat at an area that offered an interesting risk-to-reward opportunity, but things could quickly go south. The price has been in a downtrend since December. It has flipped multiple longer-term support levels to resistance on the way south. At $1.23 lay the latest of the series of lower highs that LRC has posted on its downtrend. This was the level bulls would need. It has flipped multiple longer-term support levels to resistance on the way south. At $1.23 lay the latest of the series of lower highs that LRC has posted on its downtrend. This was the level bulls would need to flip to support to show that the market has shifted to a bullish bias. At 74 cents lay a long-term support level that has been tested for demand over the past month. The price did see a bounce and post a lower high, as already mentioned, at $1.23. However, this bounce was relatively weak, and early March saw an even weaker bounce to graze 81 cents before dropping. Since repeated tests of a level weakened it, it was likely that LRC would be headed further south in search of liquidity in the weeks to come. The RSI has formed an exaggerated bullish divergence in the past couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one, and is unlikely to change the overall trend. We could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DAI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the volume of November, but it did highlight that steady selling has dominated the past 3 weeks. So next news. Loopring could see further losses as sellers were too strong at a crucial juncture. Using the swing high and swing low at $1.1 and $0.878, a set of Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, was plotted. Earlier this week, the 50% retracement level at $0.99 had acted as resistance, and the price was rejected from 99 cents. For a brief time, the 93 cents area, red box, acted as a demand zone, but the bulls in this area were quickly exhausted. Subsequently, the price retested this area from below to confirm its flip to a supply zone. This suggested that the 92 cents 93 cents area, even on a retest, would likely still be dominated by sell orders. A bullish scenario would be a weekend move above $0.93 for LRC, but this was unlikely as demand was not really present. The more likely scenario for LRC in the days to come was a move lower to the 81 cent support level. This level was also the 27.2% Fibonacci extension level. The RSI poked its head above the neutral 50 lines timidly, while the awesome oscillator was also on the verge of climbing above the zero line. This indicated that bearish momentum had, at least temporarily, been stalled. However, the CDV showed that selling volume has been steady in the past few days. The bounce from the 86 cents area in recent hours did not have notable buying volume. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of